This $8 board can turn into a $120 sale. This one costs less than $10 and buyers pay over $100 for it. And the best part is, none of these projects are complicated. In this video, I'm showing you 5 simple wood projects that cost under $10 in materials, but can sell for $100 or more when you build the right version for the right market. You'll see what each project costs, what it sells for, why customers buy it, and where to list it if you want the best chance of making money fast. Most beginners don't fail because they can't build. They fail because they build the wrong thing. A beautiful project that nobody wants is still a bad business. So instead of wasting time on random builds, let's focus on low-cost projects with real demand and strong profit margins. Project number 1. A personalized growth chart. This is one of the best high-margin wood projects for beginners because customers are not just buying wood. They're buying a keepsake. Using a common pine board, stain or paint, and basic hanging hardware, your material cost can stay around $8 to $9. And the selling price? These regularly sell for $100 to $175, especially when you offer a family name, custom colors, or nursery-style design. So even at the low end, you're looking at roughly $90 to $160 in gross margin before fees. Why does it sell? Because parents love personalized decor. Baby shower gifts sell year-round, and this project feels much more valuable than the material cost suggests. Build-wise, it's simple. Cut the board to length. Sand the edges. Add ruler-style markings. Stain or paint it. Personalize the top. Best places to sell it: Etsy, local mom groups, Facebook Marketplace, and baby gift buyers. Key lesson: emotional products often sell faster than technical products. Project number 2. A set of 3 picture ledge shelves. This is one of those projects that looks premium, but is actually very simple to build. Using budget pine, furring strips, or reclaimed stock, a 3-shelf set can come in at around $9 to $10 in materials. And as a bundle, these can sell for $100 to $150, especially in white, black, or light oak finishes. That gives you an estimated gross margin of $90 to $140. Why do customers buy these? Because they solve a decorating problem. People use them in nurseries, living rooms, home offices, entryways. And the big advantage here is perceived value. A single shelf may feel cheap. A matching set of 3 feels like a complete home decor package. Build-wise, this is beginner-friendly. Cut your shelf lengths. Assemble the bottom, back, and front lip. Fill sand, paint, or stain. Sell them as a match set. Best places to sell: Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, and local home decor groups. Key lesson: bundling raises the ticket price fast. Project number 3. A custom porch leaner sign. This project is all about personalization and curb appeal. Using fence pickets, inexpensive boards, or reclaimed wood, you can often build one for around $7 to $10 depending on your lumber source. And these regularly sell for $100 to $160, especially if you offer family names, seasonal themes, farmhouse styles, black and white modern designs. That leaves a gross margin of roughly $90 to $150. Why does this sell so well? Because front porch decor is a visible purchase. People want their home to look finished, welcoming, and customized. And unlike a lot of small decor projects, this one has a big visual impact in listing photos. Build process: join or mount the boards. Sand the face. Paint or stain. Apply lettering with stencil or vinyl. Seal it for outdoor use. Best place to sell: Facebook Marketplace is huge for this. This is especially strong for local sales, because buyers don't want to pay shipping on tall items. Key lesson: customization turns cheap material into premium value. Project number 4: a decorative blanket ladder. This is not a complicated build, but it has strong home decor appeal. Using budget pine, furring strips, or reclaimed wood, you can keep the cost around $9 to $10. A finished blanket ladder can sell for $100 to $140, especially in dark stain, matte black, or rustic farmhouse finishes. That puts your gross margin in the $90 to $130 range. Why do customers buy it? Because it photographs well, stages well, and makes a room feel styled. And that's important. Buyers are not really paying for the ladder itself. They're paying for the look it creates in their home. Build process: cut 2 side rails. Cut 3 or 4 rungs. Attach, sand, stain, and seal. It's simple, fast, and easy to repeat. Best places to sell: Facebook Marketplace, local craft fairs, and home decor pop-ups. Key lesson: simple decor with strong visual appeal can outperform more complicated projects. Project number 5: a pair of tall porch planter boxes. If you want a project with strong local demand, this is one to watch. Using fence pickets or inexpensive exterior wood, a matching pair can often be built for around $9 to $10 in material cost. And these pairs can sell for $120 to $180, especially in spring, summer, and early fall. That means a gross margin of about $110 to $170. Why do customers buy them? Because people love symmetry at the front door. One planter feels optional. A matching pair feels complete. That's exactly why selling them as a set pushes the price much higher. Build process: cut panels. Assemble the boxes. Stain or paint for outdoor use. Style with insert pots or greenery for photos. Best place to sell: Facebook Marketplace, local garden groups, seasonal fairs, and neighborhood pages. This one is especially good for local cash because the photos are strong and buyers can pick them up easily. Key lesson: pairs and sets usually create more profit than single items. So let's recap. These are 5 simple wood projects with low material cost and high perceived value. Personalized growth chart. Picture ledge shelf set. Custom porch leaner sign. Decorative blanket ladder. Tall porch planter box pair. If I wanted the best Etsy style opportunity, I'd start with the growth chart or the shelf set. If I wanted faster local cash, I'd start with the porch sign or the planter pair. And if you're a beginner, don't build all 5. Pick one, make 3 variations, take bright photos, and test the market fast. That's how you find what actually sells in your area. If you'd like the exact measurements, cutting list, and step-by-step plans for projects like these, I've linked the complete woodworking plan library below.